What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. Make money. Make money, make money. I'm going to give you 4 ways to make money. Today's motivation is about making money. Monday motivation money. Whatever you want to call it. Look, make money from a job. Make money from owning a business. Make money from your business without doing the work. And make money off your money. It's pretty simple, guys. In today's day and age, 2019, we have all the tools we need. If you've got obstacles, you can overcome them easily because we've got all the tools we need. Yesterday I talked about how the world is designed to make you fail. That is true. But all the tools we need to succeed are available. I'm talking everything. Books. This book I'm going to talk about in the future. Review it. It's a very good book. Think and Grow Rich. Obviously, you kind of know what it's about. But obviously, it's a great tool for making money. The best tool we have for making money, probably what you're using to watch this video, this is what we need to make money. This is what we can use to make money. That's what I use to make these. And again, if you've not checked these out, go and check them out. TinyGoWatches.com. You can also sign up to be an affiliate if you want to sell the watches and make some money off that. Like I told you, there's so many ways to make money. I just gave you another one. I always give you guys ways to make money, and I need you guys to keep doing that, because if you guys are doing that, then that means I'm doing my job. If you guys are not making money, it means I'm not doing my job. So make money. Use the tools. Use books. Use the internet. Use your phone, social media. Find a way. Ignore what's holding you back. Find a way to overcome it. If you're trying to put something on your website and it's not working, find a different way. Trying to make money from stocks and these stocks are not working, try different stocks. Try things. Adapt. Change. Chop and change. Find ways to make money. There is enough money out there, guys. This week, I want you guys to go out and make money. Find a way to make money. There's enough ways, so make a way and make it happen. I don't want laziness. I don't want what I talked about yesterday, being ignorant, being greedy, being fat, overweight, lazy, no ambition. I want you guys to be ambitious, extremely motivated, ready to work. And when I say work, like I said, to make money from different angles. From your business, from owning a business, from a job, from your own money. I want you guys to do that. You have to do that. It's essential. How are you going to survive in this world without money? How are you guys going to do what you see other people doing without money? You need money, so make money. And again, if you want ways to make money, I've got plenty of videos on this channel about how to make money. You guys see me doing it, so I know you guys can do it too. I'm the same as you guys. It's pretty simple. The only difference is I'm the one behind the camera, that's it. But you guys have the tools to make money. You guys have the tools to make money. Honestly, book, phone, whatever you need, you guys have the tools right there. Products, you've got the tools. Clothes, what you're wearing, you can sell them on for more. Go to the thrift shop, buy some whatever, jeans or shirts, sell them on for more. People won't even know. Get your stuff and move it. Make money, and when you make money, reinvest it back into making more money. But like I said, you can make money from a job, owning your business without you doing the work, which is amazing, and just making money off your money. You guys gotta have the grind, you gotta have the right mentality, the work ethic, and trust me, you guys are gonna get there. This is the money management, so I'm trying to make money in many ways I've shown you guys, and I want more people to do that. So make sure you guys keep liking the videos, subscribing, sharing them, letting new people know about them, commenting on the videos to tell me about ways you're making money. Do all of that. I need to find out that this thing is really working. Keep up the good feedback, guys. But yeah, if you're not checked out yesterday's video about the world being designed to make you fail, you need to check that out, because that's very important information, because the world really is designed to make you fail. And don't let it happen. Don't let it happen to you. Do not. You've got to overcome those obstacles. But anyway, my point is, there's plenty of money to be made, no matter what I said in yesterday's video. And again, it's not a contradiction. What I said yesterday is very true. What I'm saying today is also extremely true. So make sure you guys make money. I've got money to make in. I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Peace.